I'm receiving an error when trying to run a command saying ctx is a required argument that is missing. Python, discord.py. Hi, I am getting this error when I try to run a command. Ignoring exception in command greet discord.x.commands.errors.missing required argument. ctx is a required argument that is missing. And when I try to manually pass the context with pass_context equals true, I know this is outdated. I think it comes up with attribute error. Context object has no attribute send. I have looked everywhere on various forums and I have found others with the same problem, but the answers were always specific to that one user's issue and so were useless to me or were outdated, not using the rewrite. I would really appreciate it if someone could help. Does anyone know why I'm getting this and how I could fix it? Here is what I think is the useful part of the code. Here is the full code, this URL. Edit. I am on Discord version 1.4.1 in case that might be useful.
You should try reinstalling discord.py. Also make sure to put the following at the top.
The problem seemed to be my IDE. I ran my code in REPL and it worked perfectly. REPL automatically installed all the modules. So the issue I think is likely to have been either my installations and imports running on PyCharm conflicting with each other or my PyCharm version being outdated since I had not updated it in quite some time. PyCharm had been telling me that the version which I was on being outdated had some bugs with pip. Anyway, in case anyone else has a similar issue, I would recommend to try run your code in REPL or some other IDE, as the issue in this case was not my code but rather the setup. If you are encountering the same issue on a different IDE, I would recommend REPL, as you do not have to install anything to your computer. REPL is entirely on the cloud and will only install and import what is necessary. And you should probably update the IDE which you already have. I hope I could help anyone else with a similar issue, as I could find no solutions online, but I hope I could change this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.